Dear friends, today we are going to learn a new method how to type some text without using hand. It is like drag and dictate what you have learned in class 10, or without using fingers we can type it using voice. We call it as voice typing. Okay, you have the text in your hand. Let it be any text. You want to type it something, but you find difficult to type using fingers. Then what you do, use the text in near you, keep it near you, touch. Now how will you type? No, till this much everybody knows. So what you should do, this mic is there. No, in the first line, one jump clip is there, then one clock type is there, camera is there. This is mic. That is for recording voice. Leave it. The second line, another 4 boxes are there. In that one, middle part one is there near the search button. That is called as voice typing. Okay, when you type some when you speak something, it will start typing. So let us check. I'll just delete it. Okay, wait. Yeah, so one mic is there. No, this mic. Then you have to speak. Nature is our future. Nature is our future. Let plants survive and nurture. Don't hurt. It is not our culture. Save nature. It gives us shelter. No other way to alter. Never give you a living space better. Sometimes it may seem better. Let us join hands together to save nature forever. Realize that nature has a superpower until we realize its boundaries. We people lose our life's identity, plants and trees in the surroundings. Our future lies in nature's selfless. Avoid plastics, go green, make life, because it is so beautiful, like heaven. Okay, this is okay. Simply, if we need to do some corrections, we are free to correct it. Okay, for example, this is what we did no edit. If we want to do some editing, we can put full stop, comma, punctuations, that and all. Google voice typing will not do. So now if you want to type something, for example, what I'm talking, I'll just tell you. Touch the type button. Hello. How are you? Where are you going? Are you all enjoying in your half-yearly holidays? Children, do your homework properly. Write the question papers, answer. If you have any doubt, ask me anytime. I am ready to clear all your doubts. Okay? Fine. I hope you'll all study everything and come when you come on January. Okay, dear? Okay, thank you. Bye. Alright. So this is the way we type in Google voice typing. So typing, whatever you speak, it will type. Done. Okay. Yes. Very good. So I hope you all enjoyed and understood